So today, you'll be learning how to convert a video to audio in CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to open your project, whether it was a previous project you are working on or a new project. Just simply open it and it will automatically take you to the interface. So once you're in the interface, because this is a new project, I will need to actually add the video. And for me to add the video, I'll need to click on Import. And then under Import, it will open the File Explorer. And now it's up to me to locate the video that I want to convert to audio. So it will be in the CapCut, and then I'll select my video and click on Open. So that's what you want to do. And then you want to add it to the timeline. So you can just drag and drop, or you can click on this plus button and it will still be added to the timeline. You'll notice that your video actually has audio once you see this orange at the bottom of the video. So if you see this orange on your video, it means it has audio. So in order for you to extract the audio so that you can convert the video to audio, you need to ensure that you've selected the video, you've right-clicked on it, and then in this menu, you want to click on Extract Audio. Once you've selected Extract Audio, you then want to click on the video itself and you want to delete it. Once you've deleted it, you can now start working on the audio itself. So if you have any customizations that you want to add, whether it's making the audio tape longer or shorter, it's completely up to you. If you want to add increase the volume, add a fade in and out, all sorts of things, you can come and do that in the right-hand side of your screen and you can start customizing. Once you're happy with the customizations you've applied to that audio, you can then click on Export in the top right corner. And then once you've selected Export, you can then come to Name. And then from here, you can change the name. You can change the location where you're going to be exporting this file. And then now you want to ensure that you've deselected video because you don't want to export a video, you want to export audio. So deselect video like that. So click on this check mark to deselect it. And then you want to select audio and enable it. Once you've selected audio, you'll see it's now going to be saved as an MP3 file. And then from here, you can now choose what type of audio format it's going to be saved. By default, it's set to MP3, but you have WAV, AAC, or FLAC also to choose from. Once you've selected your format, you can now click on Export, and then simply wait for the file to be exported. Once it's been exported, you can then just open the folder from here and you can see your MP3 file has been successfully exported. So that's how you can convert a video to audio in CapCut Desktop. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.